Hello everyone, this is my review of the Taste Mini Hot and Iced Coffee Maker. Perfect for anyone who loves a fresh cup of coffee without the hassle. It works both with K-Cups, O-Pods, and ground coffee, giving you the flexibility to brew your favorite blend. The 6 to 14 ounce brew size options allow you to customize your cup, whether you want a quick espresso shot or a full mug. I love how compact and easy it is to use. It's perfect for small spaces like dorms, offices, and RVs. Plus, the included recipe book is a fun bonus for trying out new drinks. Whether you prefer hot or iced coffee, this machine delivers a great cup of coffee every time. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.